Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use college teams in 2K. First, from the main menu, you will want to navigate to the Play Now section. This is your gateway to immediate gameplay. Once there, look for a dedicated college hoops or college basketball option. Selecting this will open up the world of collegiate sports within your game, allowing you to dive right into the action with your favorite university teams. After entering the college mode, you will be presented with an extensive list of college teams. There are often over 100 different universities to choose from, representing various conferences. Take your time to find your favorite school or discover a new one. Once you have made your selection, simply confirm your choice to lock in your team and prepare for tip-off. It's a straightforward process. With your college team selected, you can explore several exciting gameplay modes. You can jump into a quick exhibition game to test your skills against any other college team. For a deeper experience, participate in a full college season, competing for a championship title. Additionally, challenge your friends in local or online multiplayer, showcasing your chosen university's prowess on the virtual court. There are many ways to play. Beyond just playing, you can also customize your college teams. Many games allow you to adjust individual player attributes, such as shooting or defense, and even their appearances. You might also have the option to trade players, crafting your perfect roster with specific strengths. Remember to save any custom rosters you create so you can easily access them for future games and tournaments, enhancing your personalized experience.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.